Welcome to Mithi's Kitchen. Today we are making potatoes, and this is the boiled potato. I have 4 of them, and as you can see that is good, pretty good, like large size. And other ingredients is half tablespoon of salt, 1 of each coriander powder and red chili powder, and half of this the spicy chili, quarter of turmeric, 2 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, and 1 tablespoon of cumin seed. Also 1 big onion, 3 tomatoes, couple teaspoon of cilantro, 1 tablespoon of ginger, and 3 green chilies, and also like a half lemon. So now we will start. Our pan is enough hot, so at this point we will add few teaspoon of oil, approximately like 4 tablespoon. So now we will add our cumin seed and also bay leaves. Today we are not using garlic, we just cook only with the ginger. So this is the ginger paste and also green chili. Now you can see that our ginger roast very good. So at this point we will add our onion. You can see that the onion has grinded very good, like very small pieces. So it will be cooked in frying, and also it will turn to good gravy. So friends, I have added dry red chili pepper and also just a pinch of kasuri methi, fenugreek leaves. So that is really makes tasty our recipes. And at this point I will add slightly enough water, and we will let it fry. Now you can see that our spices got roasted very good. At this point we will add tomato puree, and tomato puree we will let it cook few minutes until that all water get dried and it can fry very good. So now you can see that we have this all potatoes. So what we will do, you can just roughly chop anyways you like it. You don't have to do certain way. If you want to like with the hands to chop the potatoes, whatever, however you like it, you can just make it, anything roughly like this. So friends, you can see that I have let it fry probably 5 minutes over few seconds. So seems to me it's really very good. You can see that our oil is getting separate from the masalas. So at this point we will add our potatoes. And these potatoes you can eat with the paratha, roti, or if you want to eat with little bit rice, then you can make it little bit more curry. It is really very tasty potatoes, and potato is one of my favorite veggies. My young adult's life, I have eaten a lot potatoes than other veggies. So I really love potatoes so much. So you can see that our potato is cooking very good. And at this point I will add little bit of water, probably like 1/4 cup, and I will let it cook until one boil. So friends, you can see that our potato is done very good and also is boiling too. So at this point we will turn off stove and we will add cilantro in it. Also I will add a little bit of lime juice. Now you can see that our potato turned very well. So now we will put it in our serving bowl. This is really very healthy potato curry, and it's not like much curry, but you can eat with the rice and also roti and paratha, especially rice. But sometimes people likes to eat with the rice, so they make a little bit more curries. But until then, I think it is really good tasty recipes with the paratha. So I will come back another with simple recipes. If you have any question, comment, please leave in my comment box. And until then, have a blessed day.